Hello, every friends. Today, let's talk about the differential oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal. It has with a spring. Look this. This is a spring. And this color is a red-brown color. We also can produce black color and customized. This size is internal diameter is 100. External diameter is 152. This thing is there is 20, there is 24. It have part number. Look this part number. It's 240GHS01060. You also can through this part number find this oil seal. It also has many following features, such as organizes at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, tinking spring, and tinking skeleton. It's for heavy truck. It's for DONGFENG Tianlong heavy truck parts. It is a differential oil seal. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.